The following losses, what we are going to see, are very, very transformer efficiency. We are going to see what is the additional losses which may occur in a transformer which we have not included. The following losses, what we are going to see, are very, very small and they can be neglected while you calculate the efficiency of transformer. So first one is magnetostriction losses. I repeat, magnetostriction, STRICTION, magnetostriction losses. So what happens? You are the primary, because you're supplying AC voltage. You're generating an alternating magnetic flux in the core, right? So this will, in the positive half cycle, it will expand. The negative half cycle, it will contract. Expanding means just visualize it is blowing out. It is like a balloon. It's blowing out and compressing like that. It is not physically viewable with your eyes, but because of this AC magnetic flux in the core, your core expands physically and contracting within each cycle. So because of this physical expansion and contraction, you hear a buzzing sound constantly associated with the transformers. So this buzzing sound will cause losses due to friction heating. And you could have observed this. You go near a transformer stand and see, you could hear a sound, buzzing sound will come. That is because of this one. Constant sound will come from transformer because of magnetostriction loss. And it is occurring because of what? Alternative contracting and expanding of your magnetic flux inside the core. That is going to create your buzzing sound. See, that's how can you hear such sound? That sound frequency is going to match the frequency of your ears. That's why you are able to hear that sound. Okay, and this sound internally causes losses due to friction heating. So because of your core is expanding and contracting in each cycle, that is going to have a loss. And this expanding and contracting is not uniform. It is not uniform. So that is going to produce a loss called as magnetostriction loss. And this loss is very, very small. Okay, that's the reason why we will not account for this loss at the efficiency of transformer. The efficiency, we will not have any term for magnetostriction loss because it is very, very minimal. Next one is mechanical loss. So the alternating magnetic flux causes fluctuating electromagnetic force between the primary and secondary. You know, this is the electromagnetic induction. This incites vibrations within the nearby metal work, producing buzzing noise and consuming a small amount of power. So instead of inducing EMF in the secondary, it will also induce EMF in the nearby metallic wires, causing sound and loss of power. That is called as mechanical losses. Okay, I told you transformer is kept inside a metallic case, right? So instead of inducing EMF in the secondary alone, the electromagnetic force will induce the EMF in the nearby metals also, producing a constant noise. And that noise is going to consume a small amount of power called as mechanical losses. Next one is stray losses. So the leakage inductance we have seen. It is leakage inductance is some part of your flux will escape into the air medium because of the core. So that leakage inductance, it's going to be uh, it is that that leakage flux is going to intercept the nearby metallic conductors. Okay, giving rise to eddy currents there. See, you have a core here. You have a core, right? You have a core here, and here in this is your metallic case inside your transformer. So the leakage flux coming out of this core will go and hit your metallic case. So this here you will have eddy currents flowing inside the metallic case. So that eddy currents cause loss of power. That is going to be called as stray losses. So the loss because of leakage inductance is going to be called as stray losses. Stray means something which is unwanted. Okay, unwanted. So three losses we have seen which are unimportant and but still occur in the transformer. First one is magnetostriction loss because of alternating, expanding, and contracting nature of your magnetic flux. This causes noise and it is causes due to friction heating. And mechanical loss because of the electromagnetic flux induction in the nearby metallic core, causing buzzing sound and wastage of power. And last one because of purely leakage flux. So any leakage flux which is going to cut your nearby metal, which will give rise to eddy current. And you know, eddy current is going to produce heat inside the conductor, which is going to cause a loss of power. So these three losses are also there in a transformer, which are not included as a part of the efficiency calculation. Okay, as such, efficiency we consider only copper loss and iron loss. Among the two copper and iron loss is going to be constant, and copper loss is going to be variable depending on your I2. Okay, I hope any doubt in the losses, additional losses, what we have learned, you can ask any doubts if you have.
Sir, can you explain that mechanical loss one more time, sir?
The mechanical loss is very simple. See, in the mechanical loss and stray loss are going to be almost similar if you see the expansion. Mechanical loss means see, from primary, flux will be traveling to your core and it will be inducing the EMF in the secondary, correct? But if the
Yes.
secondary winding is very close to the container where your transformer is enclosed, instead of inducing EMF in the secondary, it will induce the EMF in the nearby container also.
Okay, sir.
Because lines are not confined to the core, right? They are free to travel anywhere. You are just creating a path for them to travel inside the core. So if the secondary and the metal casing is very close, so EMF will be induced in both secondary as well as the metal casing. So that metal casing EMF will produce a noise and produce a buzzing sound, which is mechanical loss. But
Okay,
this
sir.
A loss is going to be purely because of leakage flux. The flux which is going to leak out of your core, that is going to go and produce eddy current in the nearby materials. That is going to be the stray loss.
Okay, sir.
Logically, they are same caused by flux only, but mechanical loss is caused by the flux in the primary, and stray loss is caused by the leakage flux. That's the difference.
Okay, sir.
See, all these things you cannot. You have to visualize and see. The flux வந்து line மாதிரி போச்சுன்னா எங்க போய் touch ஆகுங்கிறது. You have to visualize and see. Unless you visualize and see, engineering will not have any interest at all. See, these things you cannot see through a microscope or anything because all the magnetic flux, everything is invisible. So you have to visualize in mind and see that இந்த மாதிரி primary இங்க இருந்து secondary இங்க இருந்து இந்த metal casing இப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா இந்த கேஸ்ல எனக்கு இந்த loss வருங்கிறது you have to visualize and see. See, ultimately only when you visualize things you can understand concepts even more better. So whatever you see is going to be completely invisible unless you have a device called voltmeter, ammeter, and power meter. You cannot visibly see how the voltage is traveling inside a transformer. So only these meters will say, okay, 230 volt is coming. The meter reading will be 230 volt is coming. 100 amps current is passing. So only because of these equipments we can consider, we can confirm that the transformer is working. Otherwise, we cannot physically see anything happening inside a transformer.